Climb inside the 2011 Audi A4. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.